You good, bounty hunter?
This is your bedroom? Okay.
Sorry, honey. I'm so sorry. We're gonna find you another body. I promise, okay? I promise. I love you so much.
I hate this place. Too muggy. And there's G3 freaks everywhere. Let's just pop Krubis and scram. A G3 Grenton! He'll tell the others, blast that sucker! Whoa, never mind! Ugh, this heat. Nature sucks. The G3 does a lot of shitty things, but tearing apart this jungle ain't one of them. I fucking hate these mites! They're all over this place!
Will you please?
Them, you dipshit! Look around and find out, mites!
What's up?
Sweezy's always the right choice.
Fuck.
How good that is. My turn. Oh, I bet you don't know that bud over there is a part of a fan plant, you dumb
Okay,
shit.
yeah, you figured it out. What's in here? Here's the loot. I can't hear you. I'm heading into a tunnel. No, I'm just kidding. Just some cell phone humor, just to lighten the mood, you know? Oh, a Ferguson. Oh, man, you actually have a lot in common with these guys. You know, aside from all the hair, you know, you're both being sold as drugs for aliens to get a high off of, you know? You guys are, it's like you're almost related in a way, you know, if you think about it.
Damn, I admire your bloodlust, but I don't want to hurt these guys. Save it for the G3. All right, keep an eye out. If there's Fergles, there's probably G3 nearby.
And you're not even saying it.
Yo! Oh shit! Okay, G3 are warping in. Ready to fight! Prep time! Ooh, that's when you know you got hit with the glob.
They just keep coming!
What's going on?
Easy's always the right choice. Another batch, huh? Let's fuck 'em up.
Sorry, I'm late. Had a thing.
Are you feeling it? I'm feeling it. Glove shot's ready. That's for destroying my planet. Well, hey, good work. You know, we made a great team, huh? I didn't want to admit it at first, but fine. You know, you got me. We're good together here. This is great.
Did you jump into this toxic sludge on purpose? Come on, you can tell me.
I gotta admit, it was getting boring in there.
Stay back! Oh, sorry. I thought you were a G3. They enslaved our whole village. I don't know what to do.
I think we can help.
Really? Thank you! It sucks so much watching everyone you know getting enslaved.
Shit, get out of the sludge! What are you doing? Get out of this shit! You want to send that merc flying? Trigger those fan plants. Ooh, that fucko's going far! Well, looks like the G3 took over this village. I bet if we clean up the garbage, they would close on our side.
We're gonna force them out, so we're gonna mine. Here's the egg licker. Why are you even interfering? Just leave alone. The Bobbins like being our slaves. Ready, bounty hunter? Why are you even interfering? I'm gonna give you the old. Okay, geez, all right, more combat. All right, let's see what we got. It's you and me, bounty hunter.
Back in the saddle.
Shit, it's a warp base. Hey, don't forget to use my glob shot, you know? Killing these spook bugs doesn't do anything for me. How you like grenades? Fuck my dick. Ow! Oh, that's the last of them. Hey, not bad, bounty hunter.
Thank you all for saving us. Are they all gone?
Huh? Did we just rescue some guys? Hey, listen, guys, we got you. You're free now. Go be free.
Welcome. We are Moplets, native to this planet. Our tribe is forever in your debt. Our leader would like to speak with you.
Oh, okay, sure.
Hello there, Savior. My people were enslaved by the G3 and forced to desecrate the land mining for Fergles. You may have freed this small tribe, but our brethren underground are still being worked to death by Krubis.
Krubis. You know, we're actually looking for him to kill.
What's this? You aim to take down Krubis of the G3? You are truly a hero to Moplets everywhere.
Yeah, sure. Where is he? We'll get rid of him for you.
That's difficult to answer. His work, though evil, keeps him very busy. He oversees many different mines across Zephyr, and it's impossible to predict where he may be on any given day.
My liege, what about the man in the mansion?
Of course, a brilliant plan. My advisor is right. There's a man nearby who knows Krubis and has access to a warp device. We may be able to use him. He lives in a mansion across the river. If you could get your hands on his warp device, that could be very useful.
Okay, sure. A guy in a mansion. That's the plan?
Yes, he would appear to be our best chance. Godspeed, Savior.
Can you tell us a little more about Krubis?
I've only come face to face with him a few times, but he's an irritable one, that Krubis. I think he resents having to manage the mines. Probably would prefer doing something a bit more glamorous. And he takes all his frustrations out on us.
Oh man, I'm sorry.
Sadly, there's nothing that can be done about it. Unless you kill him. That would do the trick.
Why were you guys all imprisoned?
The G3 are a cruel bunch. They did tests on us to see if we could trigger psychedelic reactions like a drug. But when we proved useless in that regard, they put us to work mining Fergles instead.
Man, good God, you know, you just can't win. You're either a drug or you're a slave, I guess.
Yes, and those poor Fergles, so helpless. They're making us destroy their lives, their habitats. It's so gruesome. Basically, our lives are super fucked. It's not good. But you've freed us. Everything changes now.
What's the guy in the mansion like?
Oh, his name is Ranchi Delarma. He warped in not too long ago. Seems to be old acquaintances with Krubis. We haven't dealt with him much, but he seems to have a penchant for Fergles.
Oh, God, he's a drug addict.
Nonetheless, we may be able to use that to our advantage. He does have close ties with Krubis, after all, and he seems a bit disoriented.
Right, because of the drugs. And he's evil still, right?
Well, yes, he's evil, so it should be morally just. Yes, let's all just agree right now that it's morally just to manipulate him. I love it when we can agree.
Hey, thanks for your help.
Very well. Godspeed, saviors.
Hey, somebody warped in over here. I bet we can cross now.
You're the one.
What's in there?
How are we gonna get this thing out of the river? I fucked them up. I just typed in what you told me to type in. Yeah, you typed it in wrong, dickhead. Now we're flooding. Oh, sure. It's always my fault. You know what? I'm asking for a transfer when we get back. Oh, wouldn't that be nice? Go ahead. I can't wait. No, fuck you. Oh, no, fuck you. No, fuck you.
I don't want to talk like this or at all.
Fuck you. Ah, fuck you. 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 No, fuck you. No, fuck you. Fuck you. No, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Ah, fuck you. No, fuck you. Fuck you. No, fuck you. Hey, fuck you. Yeah, fuck you.
Good old-fashioned conflict mediation. Oh shit, more G3.
Whoa! I'm not G3! Oh, quit! Just fight around here, Turtle with 2 friends!
Oh, that's cool, but wait, listen, we're busy.
Oh, don't worry! I won't be too much of a bother! Whoa! Nice try, but I'm too fast for you! You really want to shoot me, huh? Hey, look, you're on a catapult! I bet you could use that to launch them! That would be so cool! I love cool! Stop!
Shit, this guy won't stop.
Sometimes there's storms, it just destroys everything and I have to rebuild my... Whoa, look at you go! You're really flying! You're trying to copy me! I bet you want to be just like me because I'm so cool! Well, tough luck! I'm the only me! Don't try to be me! Hey, fuck you! Did you know that I used to work? Actually, I used to work for the G3. Did you... Shoot, baby! Just messing with you! I'm giving you a hard time! I'm sure you'll get it! Yeah, keep trying to shoot me! This is fun! I deserved it! You almost got me, but you missed! Oh, look! I dodged a bullet! You must feel very insecure about that! I started to take care of the little burgles around my site! Fed them and clothed them! Healed them when they make mistakes! And my mother, she always said, oh, you'll join J3 one day. You're not good, Quentin. She always would say that about me. You're not good. As if my 3 hearts couldn't have goodness in them. I don't even get started on her. You have no idea what it's like to have a mother who doesn't support your dreams. Oh, my, you're sitting on mine.
Does he ever shut up?
Oh, let's take it again. Hubba. Quite the landing. That's not your first time on a zip line, is it? Oh, I didn't think so. Because you seem so experienced.
Hey, you, please stop. Please, come on over here, please. I wasn't sure, if I'd ever get a customer all the way out here, but... Proved my dad wrong. Okay, bye. Have a good day.
Look at that
and remember, Dad sucks.
Position. You must have bought something really good in there. I'm proud of you. In fact, I'm attracted to you. You deserve all the good things you want, and you supported a local business. That's just fantastic. It helps the economy out here in Second Paradise. You're helping this shop that's set up somewhere out in the middle. Oh, whoops! I just realized I'm late for my big date. I'm going to construct another really hot curtain. Wish me luck. It was so nice meeting you.
Finally! Thank God! I don't know how much more I could have taken.
Oh, look at that tacky ass mansion. Yuck.